Hello everyone, welcome to the GreenValley International Unboxing channel. Today, we're introducing the all-new, high-performance, cost-effective surveying-grade LiDAR pod developed by GreenValley International, the LiAir H600. As a next-generation airborne surveying solution, the H600 achieves an extremely simplified operation process, industry-leading data quality, and intelligent, user-friendly interaction, delivering a brand-new experience for users. Next, let's take a look inside the H600 equipment case together. First, the case includes the LiAir H600 LiDAR device, antenna feeder assembly, USB cable, and printed documents such as the factory test report. The latest airborne LiDAR pod also comes with a dust-free cloth for easy cleaning of the laser window lens. The main body of the H600 features a highly integrated design, combining a laser scanner, a 26MP mapping camera, a storage module, and a high-precision self-developed IAMU. With its compact and lightweight construction weighing only 1,300 grams, achieves an impressive maximum ranging distance of 750 meters. This makes it effortlessly adaptable to a wide range of scenarios. When mounting the H600 on a DJI M350th Strong, no disassembly of the mounting plate is required. Simply align the Skyport red dot on the device with the white dot on the mounting plate. Then rotate the device 60 degrees to complete the installation. Next, with the antenna feeder assembly facing the front of the device, install it on the right side of the drone, tighten the antenna, and connect the feeder cable to the device. Note that when operating in the 5-antenna mode, the antenna feeder assembly is not required for installation. Finally, secure the antenna feeder cable using the cable clamp. After the device is installed, power on the drone. Then press and hold the device's power button for more than 3 seconds to turn it on. After powering on, you can connect to the device's Wi-Fi and configure flight parameters via the web interface. Alternatively, parameter configuration can also be done through GreenValley app. Once the indicator light changes from a steady red to a steady green, the device is in normal operating condition. You can then use the remote controller to start the operation of both the drone and the device, or simply press the power button briefly to begin. Once the indicator light turns to a slow green flash, it indicates that data collection is in progress. After data collection is complete, you can close the current project by using the remote controller or briefly pressing the device's power button when the indicator light returns to a steady green.